clearly you can see that if you are to sell attires, you have to cover them with the polythene, as they did right here. Otherwise, extended up to the yard where the road is supposed to pass, and now they were forced to remove the pavers, as you see. The construction of this road really mattered. Yes, buddies, we are in Munyonyo, and the last time we were here, this is where the tarmacking was probably going to start from, but it was not yet. Fortunately, this time around the road is tarmacked. Welcome to another amazing video. I'm going to show you updates on Salaama Road construction. Down there is the trading center of Munyonyo town, and that is where you get to Commonwealth Munyonyo. The regret for inconveniences created. I think that includes diverting people from using other roads, other alternatives apart from this road. Yes, sometimes it was blocked and you were ordered to use the other road. There is a road down there which links to Chirudu Hospital. It links to other towns until you get to the CBD, Kampala Central Business District. Now right here, as you clearly see, they are just, so the compound of this building, I think this was a parking yard. They were forced to remove some of the pavers, as you see, because they wanted to extend the road. And this has to be the pedestrian lane. This has to be a pedestrian lane. So the pavers of the buildings you see aside extended up to the yard where the road is supposed to pass, and now they were forced to remove the pavers, as you see. And in some areas, when the road is constructed, like the updates I was giving you on Chaliwa Jalachira Kasangati Matuga Road, they demolished almost half the buildings along the roads because they are getting to the road space. The water channels, the culverts are already put, they're already installed. So it is now the pedestrian lanes that are yet to be constructed. They are even covered. That is good, because sometimes they don't cover them, and now the sand or the soil gets into the drums of the culverts, and then they get blocked. When the rainfall comes, it washes the soil that is up here, because as you see, it is only here that is tarmacked. So the soil the other side is forced to get into the water channels, and they are blocked. In some shallow parts, it even causes flooding. I love the fact that the water channels, the culverts were covered. At least before they renovate the pedestrian lanes, and that means finally covering the water channels. The water channels won't be blocked. Oh God. The construction of this road really mattered. Leave alone people using it for transportation, but again reducing on the levels of the sand. Most of the shops you see around here, people were forced to close them, not because the customers are not there, but because their goods, their items were being spoiled by soil, by sand. Now after constructing the road, you can see that at least this road is not very long. From Munyonyo, where we started the video from, up to Chivuye, where the road stops. It is not very long, but it is very important. Very important. The road connects people from Kampala Entebbe Road, from Chivuye to Munyonyo. But along the way, people use the road to access areas like Gaba, like like in Zambia, like Kungu, Makindye. So the road is that important. Although most of the parts of the road have been constructed, especially the segment from Munyonyo coming to Chivuye, like 3/4 of the road was constructed. But when you extend further, moving up to somewhere where Chirudu stops, going up to Chivuye, the bigger part is not constructed yet, as you see here. Right here, even the water channels are not yet completed. The culverts and water channels are not yet done, and it is too dusty this way. Oh my God. I just wish the last part of the road is also constructed, because man, as I told you, most of the businesses, people are forced to close some of the businesses this way because of the dust. Believe me, if you're selling clothes, they can get spoiled even in less than a month. So people here are even very, very cautious with the kinds of businesses they start. Clearly, you can see that if you're to sell attires, you have to cover them with the polythene, as they did right here. Otherwise, the dust is too much. Now, this is a water channel, not yet completed. It has to be the pedestrian lane as well. They have to cover it like they did there, then it turns out as a pedestrian lane. Now those shops are not in business right now because they blocked the path where people should pass. Is blocked, and now they have to wait until the road is completed, which I'm not sure how long it will take. A few bodas are on this road. This is the only road around Kampala that you find bodas are fewer than taxis because of the dust. And now even the taxis that choose to use this road are those taxis that are outdated. Someone can't risk a new taxi to operate on Salaama Road right now. Believe me. This is unbelievable. In extension of the road, when they cut the soil, in widening the road, the electric poles lost balance and they fell. They fell. Oh my God. So here they are still constructing the water channel, and the other side is not even started on yet. They are just on this side. Oh my God. And now after this side, they are going to do the other side as well. Yes, this side they are still working on the water channels. I will not say water channels because they are only working on one side. The other side is not yet started on. Guys, the dust is too much. I've just got on the road, but look. Unbelievable. This seems to be a busy town. But believe me, the development of this area is affected by this road with a bigger percentage. If this road was maybe constructed already like 10 years ago, Salaama Road would not look like this, believe me. Yes, I was telling you how important this road is, and honestly, if it was constructed a long time ago, Salaama Road would not look like this. It would be looking like those developed towns we see around Kampala. I was telling you, Salaama Road is also that road that connects Entebbe Road or Kampala to Munyonyo, the location of Commonwealth Hotel, and that was the location of the 2007 Heads of Government meeting, CHOGM, that was held in 2007. And believe me, if Salaama Road was constructed already, it would be the major road that was to be used. I mean, this area would have developed a long time ago. But the state of the road affects the bigger percentage on the development of Salaama. Honestly, guys, look at the building. Ay. Look at these buildings right here. They just look like dust. And actually, this is a school. They are just looking like dust. Right now, I'm not seeing any work going on. Not any work going on, I'm saying. Not like the last time I was here. And now, guys, the tarmacking starts from here. The tarmacking starts right from here. And it goes up to Munyonyo roundabout, where the road stops. But it is the smaller part. The bigger part is the one that is not yet constructed. Not yet tarmacked, I mean. Sound